How to fix your account does not meet the following requirements in order to play Valorant. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you a troubleshooting step if you're receiving this kind of error message while playing or while creating an account with Valorant on your PC. Now, when it comes to this, it is actually something to talk about the Vanguard or the anti-cheat app that is included on Valorant. So all you have to do is go into your Windows search and then type in virus, then click on virus and threat protection, which will redirect you to system settings. Now from here, go into manage settings under virus and threat protection settings, click manage settings, scroll all the way down, and then under exclusions, simply choose or click add or remove exclusions. Click that, and then just simply choose on yes. Now, under exclusions, all I have to do is to upload your main file of Valorant, or just simply the icon of your Valorant game, by clicking that, go into File, and then just locate the main file folder of your Valorant game. And that's basically it. That is how you fix your account does not meet the following requirements in order to play Valorant.